All right, man, oh man. So we're featuring this affordable EDC knife that you can purchase at your local Walmart. It's the Camillus Dominator. It has it's a 3-inch blade, total length about 7 inches. Anyways, I had the pleasure of purchasing this knife, and it's not too bad. I mean, check it out. Look at that, like butter. Locks on the inside, closes pretty easy. This is a perfect EDC knife, so if you have time, go to your local Walmart. These are on clearance. I purchased mine, it was about $9.50, $10 and change, but not bad. It's made out of titanium. No, I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty good. I highly recommend it. Again, look at that, like butter. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about.